Everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a corner bookshelf with a curvy board. Anyway, then we have to make a basic shape with a rotated rectangle and place here. We can make the corner shelf, basic shelf with 100 at 400 and 404 dimension. Then we can push it up around 20 millimeter. Then we can make it curve. Then we can make the corner vertical shelf with a rotated rectangle. Over there we can set the thickness around 20 millimeter. Then we have to push it up. We can push it up around 1500 millimeter. Okay, and then we can make group and make component and just create it, and then we can rotate it. We can rotate it and duplicate it around 90 degree. Okay, and then we can move it a little bit to the back. Okay, with the move tool, and then we can duplicate it to the top position. Okay, then duplicate it to the top position and type on our keyboard 5/ and just enter, so it will be automatically arrangement of the shelf. Anyway, then we can now we can make a curvy board with the rectangle for the basic shape. We can throw it over there. Then we can set the line here. We can set the line. We can use the tape measure tool. Then we can place on here any position on here, just a little bit. Then we can use a pen. Then we can use this. Okay, and after that we can draw a line here. Then we can make a curvy with a 2-point arc over there. Okay, and then we can make curvy also in this connection between the two lines over there. Then we can erase some unnecessary object. Right click erase, and right click erase again, and just erase again. So we have to push it to the front around 20 millimeter only. Okay, then we have to make group, and then we can make component anyway. Okay, and then we can move and press Ctrl to duplicate it. Can move and press Ctrl. Okay, and then we can rotate it with rotate tool 90 degree, and we can flip it along with a blue axis. So we have to place on the correct position. We can place on this endpoint of the shelf anyway. Then it has been finished. When we can select all, and we can select a synthetic surface. We can select the formica laminated like. Okay, I think it's enough. We have to delete some unnecessary line. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you about how to make this corner bookshelf with a curvy board. Okay, watch for my next video. Thank you.